I'm really excited, and I feel like people need to know about this. This is actually a Black-owned business. The brand is called Crown Legs. I just want to share, and let's get into it. Ooh, look how it comes in. It comes packaged. So cute and secure. Yeah, so this is really cute. This is so cute. It comes with a little, it's so cute. It says free laundry bag. So if you guys need a nice free, it's like really good quality. Usually I've seen laundry bags that are like really trash. This is like really nice and strong. So let's open it up. Ooh, and it's like ties. She has it like tied. So I love that. That's so cute. Okay, something in here too. What's that? Oh, it says, note from the store. Thank you for your support, Sammy. Bless you and enjoy. Any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. So I guess it comes with a personalized note. I really appreciate that. I love that. The black one is called Black Panther. You already know now. You already know. Oh, it comes with a little, I guess that's to make sure it's like anti-slip, right? And it's inside out. This is the satin part. Really cute logo. Crown Licks. Love that. Blessing you with a tape. So it's so soft. It's so soft. I love that. I want to try it on. Put my hair and gel down. I think I'm going to put this on just to help with that, right? So, don't mind my big ass forehead, okay? I got a big forehead. I love my big forehead now. My big forehead is cute. Ooh, this is like fluffy. Hold on. Am I ready for all of this? It has like this little thing here, I guess, to make it extra secure, right? This little band, right? And you kind of just put it on here. You could put a little extra knot in it. I like to have like the extra knot. You can play with it. So you see, I put mine a little bit more forward like that. Feeling very cute. I'm sorry. Oh, hello. I'm feeling that. I love my stuff a particular way, so you can actually play with it. You can pull it back a little more. Like some people, you know, like to have like you could do your baby hairs. I'm not a baby hair person, so if you want to do your baby hairs, you can do your baby hairs. Let's see if we could do this. Oh yeah, it comes with this free little headband to make sure it's extra secure. I wanted to come back, but I wanted to show this one also comes with another one. It's another color. I love that you can get like different colors. This one is a beautiful pink satin. Oh my god, look at this print. Oh my god, my nails are gonna be popping. So cute. Oh my goodness. Look at it. So cute. So let's get into this. Let's get into it. I'm sorry, but look how cute this is. Look at this beautiful. It's so vibrant. I'm like in love right now. Like literally in love right now. Like so much. I'm sorry. It's just it's too cute. Like oh my god. And like with the earrings and the nails. I'm in love right now. This is Miss Sunny Kisses. Okay. This is Miss Sunny Kisses. If you want to be like a crown queen right now, I'm telling you, this is it. So I wanted to come back to you guys with it on backwards. It's so cute. And then I have the little thing here, and it's just like you just kind of put it up here. I'm sorry. They're not ready for me. They're not ready. Oh, people are not ready for this. This is so fucking cute. Oh my god. I love this. And your kitchen is covered too. Keep the kitchen nice and covered. Sometimes you don't want to put product in your hair. Sometimes I want to get up, put my hair sleek down, whatever. And you don't want to put any more product. You want to keep putting gel, putting baby hair. You can though. You can pull this back, expose your baby hair if you want. Let me tell you. In the summertime, and yes, I'm here for it. This is Miss Sunny Kisses. Miss Sunny Kisses. Ask about it. Get it. It's beautiful.